Are you confused about Ryanair's new baggage policy? Wondering how you can board your flight without having to pay 100 extra fees? Well, I'm Ryan from Skypark Secure, and today we're going to take you through Ryanair's new baggage rules. First off, every passenger is entitled to take one small personal bag into the cabin. Ryanair defines a small personal bag as measuring 40 centimetres by 20 centimetres by 25 centimetres. If you're just taking hand luggage with you and it's smaller than these measurements, you're all set. But if you've got additional luggage, you have a couple of options. Your first option is to pay for priority booking. This will cost you £6 at the time of your booking, or £8 if you choose it as an add-on after booking. Priority booking basically means you'll get on the aircraft first, but more importantly, you'll be able to bring an extra 10 kilogram bag into the cabin as well. This bag can measure 55 centimetres by 40 centimetres by 20 centimetres. However, priority booking is only available for 95 out of 189 passengers per flight, so book early to avoid disappointment. If you don't pay for priority booking, or your bag exceeds the 55 by 40 by 20 centimetre measurements, you'll have to pay extra to have this bag checked into the hold. It's £8 at the time of booking, or £10 as an add-on after booking. If your check-in bag weighs more than 10 kilograms, up to a total of 20 kilograms, you'll be forced to pay £25 for it at the time of booking, or £40 post-booking. Probably best to travel light. There are a few exceptions to these rules. Duty-free purchases can be brought into the cabin along with your hand luggage at no extra cost. You're also permitted to bring a baby changing bag up to 5 kilograms. Medical items, providing you've contacted Ryanair's special assistance line in advance, are allowed in addition to your regular hand luggage. And if you have reduced mobility and have pre-booked airport special assistance, you'll be able to carry both pieces of your cabin luggage into the cabin with you. Hopefully we've helped shed a little light on Ryanair's baggage policies. If you've got any questions, be sure to post them in the comments. And make sure to visit the Skypark Secure website to find out how to avoid all of Ryanair's other charges.